Ryan, we are doing the exercise. We just started the chapter number 16, and in the chapter number 16 we have to learn about the parameters and areas. So will help you to find the areas of different shapes. And in this chapter, we will learn about the square, rectangle, triangle, two different kind of triangles, pentagon, and then quadrilaterals, regular and irregular quadrilaterals as well. So this chapter is will be going to an easiest chapter. We just have to remember the formulas, and formula will be used. And then we have your answers according to the areas of the diagrams. Okay, I start. Okay. So I have to start. We have to start from the exercise 6A. Exercise 16A. Sorry, 16A. And then I will start from the question number 1. So in the question number 1, we have to answer, calculate the parameter of the following figures. Aryan, tell me what are the name of these figures. A, square. Okay. What is the formula for the square? No, square. How I can find the parameter of square? So the side length is, all of the side lengths have the same, which is 50 meter. Is it? Yes, is it? And then after that, we have to do side lengths are 50 meter. What is the formula to find the parameter of square? Very good. I just have to multiply all the sides with the 4 time. Then 4 multiply by side. Okay. Then 4 multiply by 50. Answer will be 200 meter. Okay. Get it? Finish. Can I move to the next slide now? Okay. B is, okay, rectangle. And then length is 200 meter. Width or breadth? Okay, breadth is 100 meter. And how we can find the parameter of rectangle? So you can say the 2 into length and breadth. Yes. Then 2 into 300 multiply by 300 plus. That is plus between length and breadth. Yes. Then 300 plus 100 is equal to 2 into 400. Sorry. That is 300, 200. That is 200. My bad. 200. Answer will be 200. 600 meter. Okay. Can I go to the next slide? Next part. C part. Okay. Question number C part. That is equilateral triangle. So the side length is equilateral triangle. So that will be a side length. All of them are 7 centimeter. How many sides are there? Then 3 multiplied by same side. 3 multiplied by 7 into 21 centimeter. Done? Okay. Then next slide. Okay, D part. What is the D part? A, B, C, and then D part. That one is irregular quadrilateral. Very good. Quadrilateral. And then what is how many sides are there? 80 centimeter, 70 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and then again 40. And then what is the formula for the parameter of quadrilateral? Yes. Yes, we have to add all the sides. 80 plus 70 plus 40 plus 40. And the answer will be Aryan? Yes, very good. 230 centimeter is the correct answer. Next slide. E. Have you done with the slides or not? Are you working with me? Okay, fast. Pentagon. Side length on each side. And then perimeter for pentagon. 5 sides. 5 multiplied by side. Then 5 multiplied by 10. It will be 50 centimeter. Next, D part. F part, sorry. Yes, right triangle. So the right triangle, how many sides are there? All are different, no? And then what is the perimeter for the triangles, right triangle? Answer? Answer? 120 centimeter. Okay. Any question? Can I move to the question number 2 now? Okay, yes, you can. I have to go to the previous slide. This one. I will have a look on the question number 2. Find the parameters of the following rectangles. Length is 20 meter, breadth is 15 meter. And then you have to find the parameter. We just have to multiply all of them with the 2. All of them will be added and multiply with the 2. Second part is much easy. And then B part is find the parameter of the squares. So you just have to multiply all the values with the 4. Done? Now can I go to the next page? And this slide also done. Okay, now look at the question number two, both part. These two are the easy. First thing you have to do according to the rectangles means you just have to plus all of the values and then you have to multiply with them too. And then in the B part, you have to multiply all the values with the 4. Okay? Okay, let's do these parts. Question number two, I part. And then first part is rectangles. The length is 20 and then breadth is 15. L is 20 and then B is 15. Yes, I'm just putting all the values here. You have to solve them and give me the last answers. All of them. First solve all of them and tell me the answers. Okay? Just give me 1 minute. Meanwhile, I can do the B all parts in the next page. And then you have to solve all of them and give me the answers. Okay? Yes, that is all only about the squares. To be second will be okay, Aryan. You have to solve all of them and give me the answers. Okay? Here, this is a 4 similar side 60. You just have to multiply 4 with the 60. Is it? You there? Okay. Yes. And then we have to, Aryan, this is application based problems. And problems should be solved by writing each single steps according to your school curriculum as well. Okay? I will follow that. So the given is side of the square field, side of, yes, square field is equal to 60 meter. And then we have to find length of fence. So the parameter of square of square is equal to 4 multiplied by, so you have to mention the sides no, first. Then 4 multiplied by 60 is equal to 240 meter. Now this is the length. Okay. Now the question number 3. Question number 4. Sorry, my bad. Question number 4. I've just written question number 3. This is question number 4. Is it? Yes, is it? So the question number 4 is like a square piece of a land has each side equal to 100 meter. If 3 layers of metal wire are to be used to interfence, What is the length of the wire needed? Okay, basically first we have to find the parameter, and the answer will be multiplied with that three layers of metals. Then you will have your final answer. Okay, so we have to follow the steps as well here. So the side of square land is, yes, side of square land is equal to 100 meter. Okay, 100 meter. And then the parameter, okay, 4 multiply by side first, then 4 multiply by 100 is equal to 400 meters. And after that, total wire is needed. Yes, total wire is needed. It will be 3 multiplied by 400 meters. Then it will be 1200 meters. Okay, good. Next question, question number 5. Now read the question number 5. This is a rectangle, 30 multiplied by 20. But according to the rectangle, no, whenever, okay, in the tomorrow class, you told me that you were in your new house. So while you go into the new house, you have to make some measurement of the room, TV lounge, and then the other rooms to make sure that bed will be fitted, and then here will be sofa, and everything should be measured. When we have to measure the length and the breadth of the room, we have to multiply these two quantities. Like this room is like 40 by 32, 14 to 32, okay, just like this. So just they just gave the data of that frame that is in the form of rectangle. Okay, so the dimension of picture, the given data is the dimension of pictures. Dimension of picture is 20 centimeter by 30 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Yes, and we have to find the length of wooden frame. So we will start from the parameter of rectangle. You have to mention the diagram, the shape as well. That will be 2 multiplied by length into breadth. And then 2 multiplied by what is the length here? 30. Larger is always, and the smaller is the breadth. And then 20 into 50. And answer will be 100 centimeter. Okay. Question number 6. It is again square or rectangle? Rectangle, yes. So how we have to do it? We will do it like this one. So the length of rectangle field is, it will be 100 meter. Okay. And then parameter is, what is parameter here? Okay. And what we have to find? Breadth. And then we just have to, this is the interesting questions. Previous one were like piece of a cake. This one is interesting. How we have to do it, Aryan? I will write the formula. Okay. P is equal to 2 multiplied by L plus B. You will get the, you know that what is B, what is P, and what is L and B and P here. Okay, I will put the values. What is the value of P? And 2 will be same. What what is the value of L? And do we have any value of B? No. B will be here. Okay? Okay. No, that 2 is multiplying with the, and when it goes to the other side, it will divide it with the 300. 300 is divided with the 2. It will be 100 plus B. And what will be the answer here, Arya? Yes, 300 divided by 2 is 150 is equal to 100 plus B. And the next step should be 150 here. 100 is moved to the another place. It has positive, and when it's shifted to the place, it will become negative is equal to B. 150 minus 100 will gives 50 centimeter. Now this is the breadth. Get it? Any question? Good. Now the question number 8. 8, we have to change the position because we want to get the value of B. So we have to get the value of B until we have to solve the each number that is around in B. Okay. Seventh question. We did the question 6, now the seventh. The length of a rectangular field is twice its breadth. Magna jogged around it 5 times and covered a distance of 3 kilometers. What is the length of the field? Again, it is a rectangular. Length of the rectangular field is twice its breadth. Magna jogged around it 5 times, covering 3 kilometers. So we have to find the length. First, we have to calculate it. Like there is B into B. Okay, they just lay the rectangular field is a twice of its breadth. Then we can say 2 into B. Okay, 2 into B and then B, and then we have to solve it. So it will be like this. Look here. So this is a question number 7. First, we have to find that we have to make a let the breadth be, so the length is B. Breadth is B. Okay, breadth is B and the length is twice, na? Then it will be 2B. Is a twice of the breadth, then it will be written as 2B. Then the parameter is 2 into 2B plus B. Okay, and then 2 into 3B. 2 threes are 6, it will be 6B. Okay, so the distance covered in 5 rounds. How much distance is covered in 5 rounds? No, no, 3 distance covered in 5 rounds is 3000. 3 kilometer, now we have to convert that into meter. Yes, we have to convert that one as well. So the 3 kilometer, 3000 meter. So it will be written as parameter of one round. Then it will be 3000 is divided by the 5. Then it will have 600 meter. No, no, 3000 kilometer contains 1000, Aryan. Okay. Yes, 1000 meter. And then 6 meter, we have the value, the parameter of one round is 6 meter. Okay, we have the value. Now 6b is equal to 600. Now I can write as like this: 6b is equal to 600. Okay, and then b will be here. 600 is divided by the 6, 6 ones are 6, and b is equal to 100 meter. We have the value. I'm just trying to find the value of b, that is the length. Okay, look here. I put the b, na, that is length, breadth. Sorry, that is the length. I have to put the value, then I will have my length. Our length is equal to 2b. Then it will be 2 into 100. It will be 200 meter. Okay. Any question? So far, so good. Okay.